Welcome into the era of AI. In this lecture, in which I'm going to show you how you can utilize ChatGPT for reverse prompting. First of all, what is reverse prompting exactly? Reverse prompting is asking ChatGPT to generate a prompt, right? That's as simple as that. Now, in ChatGPT 3.5, the only way we can do reverse prompting is by providing text. So we provide ChatGPT with a description of the prompt that we want it to create for what we want the prompt to be. So if you want it maybe to be a prompt that you will use to generate a Midjourney image, or maybe an image using Leonardo or a Copilot, then it generates that for you. But it's text to text, right? Now with GPT-4, which I'm going to introduce you to later on, you can actually add images, you can add PDFs, you can add anything. So that's one of the best things about GPT-4 is that you can upload documents. The only thing it's really missing is the audio prompting. So we still cannot talk to it directly. But right now, let's go ahead and utilize the power of ChatGPT for reverse engineering. So here I was just looking on Upwork as usual for some business opportunities. I found this business opportunity to be pretty much lucrative. It needs pretty much 16 connects. I don't have the connects because I wasted all of them on other jobs that I posted to. But if I were to answer this job or to apply for this job, I would, in case if I was not using ChatGPT, quite honestly, I would have to read this. I would have to write an application for the job. Now I don't need to, but first we have to reverse engineer a prompt that would be able to answer Upwork questions. For that, I have devised just the prompt. So I'll go to ChatGPT. I'm using 3.5, so I'm not using the Pro version yet. And I'm going to hit this prompt right here and paste it in. So the prompt is, I post to jobs on Upwork as a freelance copywriter. Generate a prompt that I would use on ChatGPT to answer every single job application I give to it by simply copy-pasting the job offer to get consistent results every time. So now it's going to go ahead and it's going to generate a prompt that I can use anytime I want to post something or anytime I want to write an application for a job on Upwork. Let's test this prompt right now. So here, I'm going to go ahead and copy this prompt. I would like you to go ahead and copy it in a Microsoft Doc. So here, I copied the prompt inside of Microsoft Doc. So here, I have to, in this particular area, I have to provide ChatGPT with the description of the job, right? So I'll go to Upwork and I'll take this job description, right, from here to here. That's all I need to do. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to paste this job description right here in this red area, which I can change later. Quite frankly, it's not necessary if I change it or not, but I'm going to copy paste this. And as you can see, I have pasted the job description. Now at the top, I have to mention how many years I have as an experience, as in this case, as a skilled copywriter. So I'm going to say I have experience as 5 years. Now, actually, I have more experience than that in copywriting. I think it's about 7 years now, but I'm just going to say 5 years. And if I scroll down a little bit here to the bottom, mention your name. And make sure there is no field that you have to fill. So my name, Ron Hemza, and now you can copy your prompt as it is. And next thing you know, you can go back into ChatGPT, open up a new chat, always open up a new chat. And right now you can paste the question, enter, and it's going to write an application for this job, which you can go ahead and utilize to apply for that job on Upwork. As you can see, dear hiring manager, I'm thrilled to apply for the position of content strategist and script copywriter at your esteemed company. With 5 years of experience in copywriting and a deep passion for creating captivating content, I'm excited about the opportunity, and so on and so on and so forth. And you can see that it really wrote the job application. And you can come here to the chat, you can rename it, maybe Upwork job applications, right? Upwork job applications. And from now on, you don't have to write a single Upwork job applications. As a matter of fact, you can scale your applications using the same strategy. By the way, I'm using ChatGPT a lot for email marketing, and I can tell you I have seen, if I measured it, I have probably seen it around more than 200% in the results because it helps me a lot with copywriting. So right now that we've discovered this, I will see you in the next lecture in which we're going to show you how you can utilize ChatGPT to create copy in the most powerful frameworks to make you the most powerful copywriter in the world.